Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip, spray head. Replace. Don't let the fancy name fool you. This little gizmo cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role. But when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your spray head. Replace. No matter the brand or grime. If you are facing issues with your Kohler KGP1043-11 versus parts spray head and need to replace it, follow these simple steps to get the job done efficiently. Tools required. Adjustable wrench. Replacement Kohler KGP1043-11 versus parts spray head. Plumber's tape. Towel or cloth for cleanup. The Kohler KGP1043-11 Versus is a complete faucet set, not just a spray head, but the replacement process for the spray head itself should be fairly straightforward. While specific instructions may vary depending on your faucet model, here's a general guide. Step-by-step guide. Turn off water supply. Before starting the replacement process, make sure to turn off the water supply to the faucet. This can usually be done by locating the shut-off valves under the sink and turning them clockwise to close. Remove existing spray head. Use an adjustable wrench to carefully unscrew the existing spray head from the hose. Be gentle to avoid damaging the hose or other components. Clean the connection. Once the old spray head is removed, clean the connection on the hose to ensure there is no debris or leftover plumber's tape that could interfere with the new spray head. Apply plumber's tape. To prevent any leaks, wrap a small amount of plumber's tape around the threads of the hose where the spray head will be attached. This will help create a tight seal. Attach the new spray head. Carefully screw the replacement Kohler KGP1043-11 versus part spray head onto the hose. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten it securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten. Turn on water supply and test. Once the new spray head is securely in place, turn on the water supply and test the functionality of the spray head. Check for any leaks and ensure that the water flow is as expected. Adjust and enjoy. If everything is working properly, adjust the spray settings on the new head to your liking and enjoy the improved performance of your faucet. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully replace the spray head on your Kohler KGP1043-11 versus faucet. If you encounter any difficulties or are unsure about any steps, it's always a good idea to consult the manufacturer's instructions or seek assistance from a professional plumber. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on spray head replace. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.